Leadership Focus, an in-depth analysis of Elon Musk's leadership style. Introduction. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and X, formerly Twitter, has revolutionized multiple industries, from electric vehicles and space exploration to artificial intelligence and social media. His leadership style is marked by relentless innovation, a bold long-term vision, an unmatched work ethic, and a unique ability to inspire and build loyal teams. Musk's influence extends beyond business. He has fundamentally reshaped how humanity thinks about the future of transportation, space travel, and sustainable energy. This analysis explores the key leadership traits that define Elon Musk and how they have driven his extraordinary success. Key leadership traits. 1. Relentless innovation and future-driven thinking. Origins and development. Musk's fascination with technology and the future began at an early age. As a child in South Africa, he immersed himself in programming and science fiction, dreaming of interplanetary travel and AI advancements. His ability to envision the future before others has been the foundation of his success. Implementation. Musk continually pushes technological boundaries, evident in Tesla's breakthroughs in battery efficiency, SpaceX's reusable rockets, and Neuralink's brain-machine interfaces. His willingness to pursue seemingly impossible ideas, such as colonizing Mars, has set him apart as one of the most ambitious leaders of our time. Impact. This forward-thinking mindset has positioned Musk as a pioneer in multiple industries. His leadership has accelerated global efforts in electric vehicles, private space exploration, and AI development, fundamentally reshaping markets and societal expectations. Unparalleled work ethic and hands-on leadership. Origins and development. Musk's work ethic is legendary, rooted in his early days as a startup founder. During PayPal's early years, he slept in the office and worked around the clock, an approach he has carried into all his ventures. Implementation. Musk is directly involved in every aspect of his companies, from engineering and product development to marketing and customer experience. He frequently works 100-hour weeks, sets extreme deadlines, and expects the same level of commitment from his teams. Impact. While this intensity has led to breakthroughs, it has also resulted in high employee turnover and criticisms of burnout culture. However, for those who thrive in Musk's demanding environment, the rewards include working on the cutting edge of human progress, long-term vision and risk-taking mentality, origins and development. Unlike many business leaders who focus on short-term profits, Musk has always prioritized long-term, transformative change. His decision to risk his entire fortune on Tesla and SpaceX in 2008, when both companies were close to bankruptcy, exemplifies his willingness to bet everything on the future. Implementation. Musk disregards traditional constraints, often making controversial decisions based on long-term goals rather than immediate gains. This is evident in his commitment to Mars colonization, AI development, and transitioning the world to sustainable energy. Impact. His risk-taking approach has led to industry-shifting advancements, but it has also resulted in controversial moments, such as stock market volatility caused by his tweets and rapid decision-making at X, Twitter. Despite this, Musk's ability to think decades ahead has driven world-changing innovations. 4. Inspirational leadership and building loyal teams. Origins and development. Musk's ability to inspire employees, investors, and the public stems from his passionate belief in his mission. His vision is not just about profit, it's about humanity's survival and progress. Implementation. Musk fosters a culture of innovation and resilience, attracting top talent who believe in his vision of a multi-planetary future and sustainable energy. He is known for challenging employees to achieve what seems impossible, such as reducing SpaceX rocket costs by 90%. Impact. His ability to build and retain high-performing teams has been critical to his success. While some employees struggle with his high-pressure expectations, those who align with his mission become deeply loyal and committed to his goals. Disruptor mentality and willingness to challenge norms. Origins and development. Musk has never accepted the status quo. From launching a private space company when experts doubted its feasibility to transforming the automotive industry against entrenched giants, he thrives on disrupting industries. Implementation. Musk questions conventional wisdom and pushes unorthodox solutions. His acquisition of X, formerly Twitter, is a prime example. He immediately implemented controversial changes, such as removing content restrictions and revamping monetization models. Impact. This disruptor mentality has challenged and redefined traditional industries, forcing competitors to adapt and setting new standards for how technology shapes society. Keeping promises and delivering results. Origins and development. Musk has a history of making bold promises and delivering, even if delayed. His belief in following through on commitments has been key to his leadership. Implementation. Whether it's Tesla reaching profitability, SpaceX landing reusable rockets, or developing the Cybertruck, Musk's projects often face skepticism, but eventually succeed. Impact. His track record of eventual success has built strong investor confidence and customer loyalty, reinforcing his image as a leader who keeps his word. 7. Commitment to peace and a better future for humanity. Origins and development. Musk's overarching goal is not just profit, but ensuring humanity's survival and flourishing. Implementation. His initiatives, Tesla's push for sustainable energy, SpaceX's interplanetary ambitions, and Neuralink's medical advancements, are driven by a desire to solve global challenges and prevent existential threats. Impact. This mission-driven approach has earned Musk widespread admiration, even from those who disagree with some of his methods. His work has positioned him as a key figure in shaping the future of civilization. Conclusion and key takeaways. Elon Musk's leadership is defined by relentless innovation, an unmatched work ethic, long-term vision, and an ability to inspire teams to achieve the impossible. His willingness to challenge norms, take risks, and disrupt industries has made him one of the most influential leaders of the 21st century. Aspiring leaders can learn from Musk's ability to think big, execute fearlessly, and push past conventional limitations. His leadership proves that extraordinary success requires extreme dedication, resilience, and the courage to pursue ambitious goals. Whether admired or criticized, Musk's impact is undeniable. His work will continue to shape the trajectory of technology, space exploration, and human progress for decades to come. Engagement question. How do you think Elon Musk's leadership style will shape the future of technology, space exploration, and global industries? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more insights into leadership strategies and the minds of influential leaders, check out our other videos on leadership excellence, innovation, and professional growth. Leadership Focus, an in-depth analysis of Elon. If you found this analysis valuable, like, subscribe, and share this video with those interested in leadership, entrepreneurship, and technological innovation. Listen, learn, lead.